South Africa bolsters police oversight with F.W. de Klerk Foundation's influential role in IPID Amendment Act by Satori News. In an exemplary demonstration of civil society's impact on legislative reform, the F.W. de Klerk Foundation recently celebrated a major triumph with the signing of the Independent Police Investigative Directorate IPID Amendment Act into law by President Cyril Ramaphosa on July 25, 2024. This historical legislative advancement engages directly with democratic governance and the protection of human rights in South Africa. The step towards encapsulating the true spirit of democratic independence in the law enforcement sector was positively influenced by the Foundation's robust involvement, which included a comprehensive written submission emphasizing the bill's constitutional implications on October 2, 2023, followed by a verbal submission to the Portfolio Committee on Police on October 18, 2023. The primary ambition of the IPID Amendment Bill was to expand its mandate, empowering the IPID to probe into heinous offenses committed by police officers, regardless of whether the incidences occurred during their official duty hours. This intent for reform was catalyzed by the Constitutional Court's landmark judgment in the McBride v. Minister of Police case, which called for an independent IPID and a transparent appointment process for its executive director to deflect undue ministerial influence. Albeit the Foundation's commendation of the bill's overarching objectives, it raised poignant objections to Clause 4. The clause's initial draft concentrated the executive director's appointment power solely in the political realm, a move that could hemorrhage the directorate's autonomy and lead to political manipulation, in contradiction with the Constitution's provisions that emphasize independence. In a significant victory for constitutional adherence, the contested clause was meticulously revised. It now embodies a meritocratic procedure through the formation of an appointment panel, coupled with the requisite for a parliamentary sanction, a restructured approach met with praise from Ismail Jusub, manager of constitutional advancement, for reflecting the Foundation's articulated concerns. The Foundation's executive director, Christo van der Riede, acknowledged the positive strides taken, but cautioned that vigilance must persist to guarantee the IPID Amendment Act's true and effective implementation. The Foundation's commitment to constitutionalism and human rights is unwavering as it advocates for these tenets across all legislative mechanisms. Evidently, the F.W. de Klerk Foundation's advocacy efforts have been instrumental in shaping the IPID Amendment Act into an instrument that significantly fortifies the safeguarding of police oversight mechanisms, entrenching core democratic values in the South African justice system. This episode illustrates the profound impact public institutions can have in steering legal frameworks towards bolstering accountability and integrity within government agencies. Thank you for choosing Satori News.